know that you can create a flashcard for the students as a learning activity within Copilot Teach module. If you open the Copilot Teach, you can find the learning activities in here. And in the learning activities, there's multiple different ways of learn and practice. And in this video, we focus on the flashcards. In the flashcard section, if you go in, you're gonna be asked to fill in the material or fill in the description in this case. Learning content, you can write the whole thing or you can add the existing material, and in my case I'm gonna be adding the content from existing documentation. I choose the terms and definitions and question and answer type of flashcards. Now it's going to be reading the material what I have provided there, and when it's finalizing the reading, it's going to be giving you the first draft of the questions. And you can still modify everything here. You can add, remove, you can make any kind of changes on the flashcards still. You can use the AI, it can generate automatically you more questions, or you can just use it manually, editing everything, or adding blank cards, which you can then also add later. In my case, I reviewed and I saved the activity, and when it's saved, I can go and view flashcards, and I can see it in the learning tool, how it's going to be looking for the students. And in here, in the learning tool, I can look at it that it's none of the students has been reviewing yet, but let's play it and preview activity first. In here, it shows you the flashcards, and the student can get the help on these ones, or they can say that yes, I know already this one. And when they go through the topics, they can always ask the hints from here also. What should I know about this one? I don't know, I know, and that kind of thing. So they can still practice all the time based on this one. And this is something that is really easy to use and really visual for everybody. There's multiple questions as we created already, and now that they have done all of them, they get right away the feedback. How did it go? What was the level of the understanding of these things? And you can do it again also. So this is easy way to practice flashcards. Then exit the preview model. You can go to the share, and in the share you can send the invitation code, or then you can just copy the link and share it to the students. So there's multiple ways to share the exercise for the students also. And this can be then shared at email, Teams, or any other format. Easy way to practice.